Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is the unboxing of December's V-Box by Fashionsta. So I already recorded all of that. My box is open. I realized I was playing music in the background. I don't know why, it just played and I just had no idea or didn't pay any attention, and that is basically a copyright. So we have to do the whole thing over again. I actually haven't seen what's in the box. All I did was open it and pull one item out. So there's one item that I know what it is. Again, this supports the 1736 Family Crisis Center. It's located in Los Angeles and a nonprofit organization based in Los Angeles with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. So that's kind of cool. I really like the fact that the box gives back. It's kind of the reason why I signed up for CauseBox in the first place. So it's kind of cool that now I have two boxes that give back. This box is $19.99. Basically the cheapest subscription that I currently own. And I'm pretty sure that's also shipped. I don't think I pay shipping on this. If I don't, you'll know. It's somewhere on the screen whether I pay shipping or not. And it's valued at $80 to $150. So I don't really know if they always stick like to that same range, but that's what it was last time and that's what it is this time. So the first item, I already know what it is because I already talked about it. You just missed it because of, the music and the copyright. This is a CBD pain reliever bath bomb. So last time they also had a CBD product. I don't know if they do that every time. It is Los Angeles based, so I feel like that's possible. And it's from Fresh Bombs, and it smells like eucalyptus and peppermint. Through the plastic, the peppermint and eucalyptus scent is not very strong. So I'm a little bit worried because I like a strong bath bomb. I like my whole bath to fill my lungs. The CBD bath bomb is valued at $12. It says, wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. This graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. So this next little thing that I found in here is from Rosy Cheeks. It is a facial scrub and it says naturally vain on the side of it. The first ingredient is water, which is always awesome in my opinion. It kind of smells like medicine to me. Let's read a little bit about that one. It says, Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub, also retail value of $12. So far it's $24 value. This exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals. Oh, I definitely smelled roses as well. Yeah, it does kind of smell like roses too, but still medicine. And gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rosehip seed and Lang Lang essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. Well, I could always use some anti-aging properties on this face. Next we have something from Teamy. The whole thing's been floral because we had we had eucalyptus and then rose, and then now we have lavender and sage. This is from Teamy. I've tried their teas. I have not actually tried any of their face stuff, other stuff. It is cruelty-free, made in the US. Ooh, it felt cold when I pulled it out, and it's really pretty. It's like blue, but it has little things floating in it. It says use 2 to 5 drops on fingertips or the palm of your hand. Rub together to warm up the oil and spread evenly on the face. I have very oily skin, and oil's really good for oily skin. It's actually, you think that it wouldn't be good, but it is actually really good for oily skin. You just have to be careful to get the correct oil. Wow, the dropper is fancy. This dropper's like quite odd shaped, but I feel like it makes it look fancier. So we're gonna put a couple drops on my hand here. It smells like lavender and kind of like rosemary, but it says lavender sage. I don't know. Oh, that smells delicious. That one is really nice. You have to love lavender, of course. I know a lot of people, everybody has their own thing, like that they hate. So this is a $40 facial oil. Actually, facial oils are pretty expensive, so I can get with that, and that's a really big bottle. Soothe facial oil is infused with lavender sage and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorb into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and growing. Perfect for all skin types. It really is good for oily skin. So a lot of people, I think, avoid oils when they have oily skin, and you do not have to do that. Next we have Crescent Moon. Never heard of this company. Oh my. So it's a little bit broken here. This breakage is gonna be my fault, so I'm not gonna report it. I did not open this directly when I got it from the mailman. I threw it in a bag. Threw being the key word there.
Kobe!
So this breakage could totally be my fault. I'm going to just obviously like depot it and make it pretty, but let's play with some of the other colors. Oh, those look really nice. Whoa, okay, I really don't swatch things, but this one is like, this is super mermaidy. We'll just swatch it on the top. It like changes colors. It's iridescent. You can't even tell on the video. I'm not gonna lie to you. It goes from like blue to purple and purple to blue, which actually matches my eyeshadow today. The feeling is soft and it feels like it's blendable. Overall, I would say like mid quality on that one. The Crescent Moon eyeshadow quad is $45. Wow, I would not pay $45 for that. What does that come out to? Like $11 a shade? Are you out of your mind? For a quad palette, you better be like top of the line for me to pay $45. Says Crescent Moon palette, rich duochrome shades. Okay, so that duochrome thing, it is cool. I'll give them that. Heavily pigmented diamond and shimmer shadows. I don't think that red was that pigmented. I had to go in twice just to get it to like look red on my hand. And it just says the shades include Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, Ophelia. Whatever, I didn't get to try that last one because I broke it. Or they broke it. We're not putting blame on anyone here. Okay, so the next one is from Cara Beauty. And it says on it, Glow Getter Highlighter Palette. My mom watches my videos and fears for my safety. So she got me a box cutter, which I think works really good for the actual boxes, but for taking stuff off of products like this, it might not work. Oh my gosh, no. So this is cracked too. I honestly, it's so hard because I don't know if I did this or not. That sucks, but I can't blame a company if I didn't open it immediately upon arrival. I don't even swatch, but I feel like I should swatch these because they're so pretty. Literally, I'm the worst, honestly. You'll see in a second. So this is what we got going on here. They're pretty. Who would wear this crazy orange one though? I feel like that would make me look like a pumpkin. This is really nice. I'm so sorry that I broke the mirror or that they broke the mirror. Again, we're not placing blame on anyone here. And the retail value for the Glow Getter highlighter palette is $15. Okay, whoa. How is that palette $15, but the Crescent Moon palette is $45? I'm sorry, but no. So it says, are you a go-getter for a better glow? Actually, not really. I'm not that glowy of a, like, I don't actually go to the highlighters too often. These 6 shades will have you shining from across the room. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. All right. For $15, yeah. $15.20, hydrating, good vibes only, hyaluronic, collagen, glacier, and seawater. That's super cool. So it says step 3 on it. That's kind of odd. Am I supposed to go buy 2-in-1? Who knows? So this is a sheet mask, and you get 1. And the retail value says sheet face mask, $7. $7 for 1 sheet mask. I've paid that before, so that's possible. $15.20 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regime that seamlessly fits into your routine. They are dedicated to providing customers with high quality products and unparalleled results. Their customers have fallen in love with their glow and radiance thanks to $15.20. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna read a little further because this one says some interesting stuff after it. Enjoy this face mask from their essentials routine, which includes all natural dried biocellulose. Awesome. It is the softest material and 4 times stronger than plant cellulose and retains 200 times its dry weight in water, staying moist throughout the entire process. So that's actually the sheet is made of this that is gonna like retain more of the product and like, I guess keep that product on your face better, longer, I don't know. So that's so cool. There is a 20% off. I will put that down in the description. That's it. That's the whole box. Of course, I think the value is worth it. This facial oil is worth it because this is $40. I really liked the glow glitter, and I did like the eyeshadow quad, but there's no way I would like value that at $45. Let's just pretend I'm gonna value it at $20. This company's gonna come for me. Don't come for me, but I just don't think it's valued at $45. I'm sorry. And that happens a lot in beauty subscriptions. I'll get something and I'm like, there's no way. Like, who would pay $45 for this? Not me. So we're gonna say that's worth 20. The glow glitter is worth 15, and the Soothe Facial Oil is worth 40. And those are the 3 items that, like, I mean, obviously the facial mask too. So let's add the facial mask. 82. So what I found value out of the box is worth 82. And the total value of the box, actual retail value, is 131. I think I calculated that right. 131. So that's pretty good. So there's 3 products that I love, 1 product that I like, and 2 products that I'm not so sure about yet. I don't love them, I don't hate them. You know, the jury's out, so we'll find out after I try them a little bit better. This is still a very new subscription to me. I know you can tell based on how I'm reviewing it, and I don't know that much about it, but I'm gonna keep learning. And if you're interested, there is a discount code down below for 20% off. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item, and do you like the subscription? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.